Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So we originally sold this car from new and have taken it back in part exchange. It's got a full service history with Howard's. This car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's also 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control with the speed limiter. And the car is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around.